Hello students of class 6, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. I am Megha ma'am and this video is for class 6 physical science, and the chapter that I am going to discuss today is the waste management. It is the last chapter of your book and this video is part 1. Okay, so very first we have to learn about what is waste. Waste are the particles or the things or the products that are actually produced in our everyday's life. Every day we are doing something, we are using something, we eating something, and the extra products that we are not eating or that are going lost and that the plastics and wrappers, everything are called waste products. So we usually throw away these products. So let's discuss what is the definition of the waste products. Okay? So here in the definitions of the waste products, it is written that the throwaway products that generated due to our day-to-day activity and are not required for any other activity are called waste products. So these products are actually the extra products or the products that we don't need anymore. So the examples can be plastic packets of anything, packeted foods, banana peels, actually not only banana, every vegetable peels, okay, and many more. So next we are going to discuss about these items that usually these products are generated due to different type of the human activities, and they may accumulate in nature causing pollutions. So it is the main reason why we are reading this chapter. So we can classify these waste products according to some manner. Okay, so let's discuss about the classifications of the waste products. So now I'm just rubbing this part and I'll write this part on here. So the first, waste products. The classification of the waste products. So first is on the basis of source. Okay. So on the basis of source, the waste products can be defined into some manner, can be of some types. So first is municipal waste. The second is medical waste. The third is agricultural waste. The fourth is end of life automobiles. The next is industrial waste. The next is constructional waste, construction or demolition, NED. Okay, and the next is e-waste. So according to the base of the source, there are these types. Next, on the basis of chemical nature. Okay, on the basis of chemical nature, the waste can be of two types. That is, one, organic waste, and the second is inorganic waste. Okay, these are two types. The next is on the basis of the physical nature. On the basis of physical nature, the waste products can be of solid waste, liquid waste, and gaseous waste. Okay, solid, liquid, and gaseous waste. The next is on the basis of biodegradability or degradability, you can say. On the basis of degradation, there are kind of two types. That is, one, the biodegradable waste, and the second is non-biodegradable. So this is the all classifications of the waste products. Okay, so here you can see the most of the types of the waste products are coming from the sources like municipal, medical, agricultural, end of the life automobiles, industrial waste, constructional, demolition waste, and e-waste. And these are our main broadly classified into the organic and inorganic, and these types are also falling into this. The next is on the basis of physical nature, the solid, liquid, and gaseous waste. You can easily understand that those waste who are solid are called solid waste, those are liquid are called liquid waste, and those are called gaseous, in the form of gaseous, they are called gaseous waste. And biodegradable and non-biodegradable, that means the waste products that can be the degradation happens with this. These are called the biodegradable waste, and the biodegradation are not happening with this one. Those products are called non-biodegradable waste. So in the next video, we will discuss about each of every in this waste products. So till then, thank you.